Doing things well is a passion. Passion for building something with our own hands, or repairing some equipment that deserves professional care, along with the right tool made by experts who really understands the matter. And when it comes to hand tools, nobody does them better than Tramontina. That's why Tramontina Garibaldi has been producing quality tools since 1963, has facilities with a build area of 105,000 square meters, a large logistics center, and manufactures more than 4 million pieces per month. There are 3 specific product lines to meet the requirements of the most diverse application segments. The Tramontina Pro line has hand tools and organizers designed for high-performance jobs and to serve customers well. Tramontina's Master line features professional tools for the civil construction use and to make beautiful things every day. The Do-It-Yourself line is indicated for domestic use and small day-to-day repairs. Of course, all of this is only possible with constant investments in technology and innovation, and with continuous safety tests and quality assessments of the manufactured tools by our Innovation, Research and Development Center. We also do the right thing when we take care of the environment by using our technology to conserve environmental resources. The commitment to meet the needs of each segment is also present in our commitment to building new life projects. And this is what makes our unit the largest manufacturer of hand tools in Brazil. Tramontina, the joy of assembling, organizing, repairing, and making beautiful things.